Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is directly proportional, the cleanest relationship in the syllabus. If one doubles, the other doubles. If one triples, the other triples. By the end of this video, you'll know what makes a relationship truly proportional, how to spot it from its graph, and how to find the constant k in 2 seconds flat. Y is directly proportional to x means y equals k times x, where k is a single constant. The same for every pair of values. There's no plus c, no minus c, just y equals kx. Double x and y doubles 2, half x and y halves. The relationship is fixed by one number, k. Find k once and you can predict y for any x. Here's the key insight. The graph of y equals kx is always a straight line through the origin, 0, 0, never just starting anywhere on the y-axis. So to find k, take any pair of x and y values and divide y by x. You'll get the same answer every time. That's because the gradient of k is constant. Same factor in, same factor out. That's what proportional really means. One mistake to watch for, don't confuse direct proportion with y increases as x increases. Any positive gradient does that. Y equals 2x plus 1 increases, but it's not direct proportion because it doesn't pass through the origin. Direct proportion needs the plus c term to equal 0, so always check the line goes through 0, 0. Quick example. Given y equals 12 when x equals 4, find k by dividing. 12 divided by 4 equals 3, so y equals 3x. Now, when x equals 7, y equals 3 times 7, which is 21. 2 lines of working, full marks. Find k, then plug. That's the whole method.